and welcome to part 2 of CPAP Summer. However, if this is the first time you are hearing about this segment, I would recommend going back to the beginning. I have linked the playlist above. Go on, I'll wait. Okay, any stragglers? Good. Let's get started. Today we will be covering Tier 2 of Travel CPAPs, our mid-range units. As previously mentioned, these are hardy machines that are great for camping. But is one of them worthy of the title, Best Travel CPAP? Let's meet our contestants and find out, shall we? First up is the Transcend 365 Mini. It is an auto CPAP that is fairly compact. Second, we have the Z2 Auto Travel CPAP. This is a CPAP that is about the length and width of your phone. It is also very easy to tote around. Great. Now that we are acquainted, let's get started. But before we do, let me tell you about Resp Shop. Here at Resp Shop, we are dedicated to finding the right respiratory equipment for you at a low price. We specialize in CPAP equipment, but also carry oxygen concentrators, nebulizers, and more. Not sure what you need? That's okay. Even the best of us need help sometimes. Give us a call at 866-936-3754 to speak with our expert staff about the right equipment for you. And now you can save 10% on any order. How? Subscribe to our channel and use the coupon in the description below. Limit of 1 per subscriber. Now let's get back to our mid-range units. Weight. I think it is pretty obvious who is bigger in size, and unfortunately that also translates to weight. The Transcend 365 is 1.7 pounds, while the Z2 Auto is just over half of one. That is a significant difference if you are backpacking or camping, so point 1 goes to the Z2. Humidity. Both of these units have their own unique way of dealing with humidity. The Z2, for example, comes with a heat-moisture exchanger that fits along your tubing. These will need replaced as needed as they catch the moisture from your own breath and make sure it comes back to you when you inhale. Their downside is that they have to be used with a mask that has tubing connected near the front and not the top of your head. The Transcend 365, however, has an actual water chamber. However, it is smaller than your home unit one, as the CPAP uses water-saving technology to make sure less water gets you through until the morning. It's also really neat as it uses magnets to fit into place. So, what can I say? We're suckers for magnets. Point goes to the Transcend 365. Battery options. The Transcend 365 and the Z2 do not come with batteries. However, each one has its own battery specially made for that particular machine. For example, the Transcend 365 can be used with the P10 battery. This will add a little over half a pound to your overall weight. However, it can be used both with the humidifier on and with it off.
Psst, this is a big deal as this is the only battery that will power a travel CPAP and its humidifier through the night.
However, be warned. Whereas you may get 2 nights out of the P10 battery with the humidifier off, you will only get 1 night with the humidifier on. Moving on to the Z2. The Z2 also has its own battery solution. That would be the PowerShell and extended battery. This would be a good option for those of you with high pressures because even set at 20 cm of constant pressure, this battery will still last you 8.9 hours.
Psst, which is also practically unheard of for batteries.
The battery and the PowerShell would add just over 1.5 pounds of weight. Because of this, I'm giving them both a check mark, as they are pretty evenly matched depending on what suits you best. Data. Both travel units will record your sleep data. This is great if your doctor is monitoring it or if you need compliance data for your job. How they record that data, however, is very different. For example, the Z2 uses an app to view your sleep data. I have included a link in the description, which is great news for you Apple users and Android users, as it can be found in both stores. The Transcend 365's data, however, can be viewed on the screen as well as through software. This software can be found on the My Transcend website, link also found below. For this reason, I'd say these machines are different but equal. They both get a point. Noise level. Okay, both machines have 3 points each, so this is the tiebreaker. As far as noise, the Transcend 365 operates with a noise level of 30 decibels. The Z2, however, runs with just 26 decibels, which of course means the Z2 wins the tiebreaker and is now dubbed the best travel CPAP in the Tier 2 category. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to visit us next Monday when we explore Tier 1, our luxury travel machines.